Hey, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Katrina Bird, and these are the top 3 reasons why you should watch my channel. Number 1, we're going to review antibiotics in an easy and fun manner. 2, we're going to also review infections, and overall the third reason is I hope that you're able to use this information on exams that you have to take, or if you are a practicing medical provider, that it will help you with prescribing antibiotics and treating infections overall. So if you're interested, continue to watch this video, click like and click subscribe. Alright, so what qualifies me to talk about antibiotics or infections in general? So number 1, I'm a physician who's completed residency or training in internal medicine and pediatrics. Once you're done with medical school, it doesn't end there. You do specialized supervised training so that you truly master the field that you're going into. So for me, I specifically did internal medicine and pediatrics residency, as well as I completed adult infectious disease fellowship. Currently, I'm a pediatric infectious disease fellow. So all this means is I spent years and years learning about antibiotics and infections, and so I'm more than qualified to teach others to do the same. All right, so how did I become interested in being an infectious disease doctor? Well, my journey started in August 2005 when I was a sophomore at Xavier University of Louisiana. If you remember, August 2005 was when Hurricane Katrina hit, and my university happens to be in New Orleans. So I was one of hundreds of people that had to be evacuated from the city. So once I finally made it home to Detroit, I was so grateful that Wayne State University allowed students who were displaced because of Hurricane Katrina to complete the fall 2005 semester for free. So I was like really grateful for that because I had already paid tuition at Xavier. So at Xavier, I was a biology pre-med major, but I really wasn't that excited about it. I just said, oh, okay, this is what I need to do to get into medical school. Well, so when I went to Wayne State, I wanted to take at least one biology class. So I chose to take microbiology. So when I walked into that class, I was so nervous because at Xavier, we have relatively small class sizes, whereas Wayne State is a much bigger institution. So the microbiology class was huge. And then, of course, someone told me, oh yeah, this is like a weed out class for people who are interested in medicine. And I'm like, oh my God, okay, am I gonna survive this? So I buckled down, studied hard, really went to all the classes, and I ultimately, not only did I do well, I absolutely loved learning the material. I was like, okay, we're on to something, because I'm normally okay, let me just try to get through this. But I actually really liked to learn about Staphylococcus aureus and about antibiotics. So then I thought, okay, could this be a possible career? And this basically is what drove me to ultimately become an infectious disease doctor. Lastly, how can you get the most out of this channel and these videos? So number 1, subscribe to my Instagram account. I provide a lot of content, and of course I would love for you to spend hours going over the videos and copying things down, but there's an easier way. So on Instagram, you can save posts. So for example, if I'm talking about penicillins, I would go to my Instagram account and save all the penicillin posts. So when you're on rounds, or you are taking care of a patient, or if you just have a random question, you can quickly go to your IG saved posts and look up the answer, because it's pretty palatable and it's pretty easy, and it's in big font and has pictures, so for you to learn. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you next time.